In this video we're going to look at how to use the text label controls that are available at repeatserver.com. So we'll just start with an imaginary scenario. Let's say you're at a school and on their digital notice board they want to display the name of whoever's got the star of the day. So that's the best pupil in the school for that particular day. So we're going to have a piece of text, something along the lines of today's star of the day is Fred Bloggs. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a text label at repeatserver.com and put that piece of text in. And the advantage of doing that, it means that any of the teachers that have got access to this system can connect through from home or wherever they happen to be and update that file so that the text change. Now what we're going to then do is create a presentation, insert that text into it, and as the presentation is playing it will play whatever the current text is. Today's star of the day is Fred Bloggs. And then as soon as the teacher actually makes that change, then it will automatically update the board automatically, and that can be done from anywhere. So we're going to start with text labels and text label maintenance, and this automatically logs us onto our repeatserver.com account. I'm just going to zoom to 75% because we're recording this in quite a low resolution, and I'm going to click on create text label. And the label name is going to be star of the day, and the text is going to be today's star of the day is Joe Bloggs. And we're going to click on add, and there's our text. Okay, so we're going to close this down now, and what will happen is this text appears here. Now we're going to go to presentations, and we're just going to quickly create a new presentation, and I'm going to insert a text label. Now I can just type in some text here, or I can pick up text from a local or network file. In this case I'm going to use repeatserver.com, and there's the text file we created, and OK. And this just inserts the text on screen. Now we just need to resize this. So size, screen width, and I'm just going to drag this down to the bottom of the screen. And that's all I want to do in the presentation for the time being. Apart from one more critical aspect is I need to double click on the actual text label control. Try that again. And I need to tell Repeat Signage to actually monitor that file. So at the moment it's going to check for updated content for 15 minutes. Now for the purpose of demonstration I'm just going to change that to 10 seconds. Which is far too low for normal purposes. Okay, and that's why I'm getting this message. And I'm just going to save this file. I'm just going to call it school presentation. And save. And exit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this presentation. Now normally when you play a Repeat Signage presentation, it goes full screen and you can't get to anywhere else. So what I've had to do is I have to go to File, Settings, Player, and I've just taken this tick out the Keep Player on top of other applications, just for this demonstration. So I'm going to play presentation. There's my school presentation. Obviously the rest of the presentation will be blank, but that's all I want to do for the moment. Now I'm just going to flip back to Repeat Signage, move this up a little bit. There's the text, and I want to get back to Repeat Server. All we're going to do now is double click on the star of the day, and that will automatically open up the Repeat Server website page in the correct place. I just need to quickly adjust the size again. So today's star of the day is Joe Bloggs, and all we're going to do is change that to John Smith and save. And that's it. Now if we just go back to our presentation, you see it's automatically changed. So that's the whole point of actually hosting that text at repeatserver.com, so that when you got there to that website and you change it, it automatically changes on the presentations automatically.